If you've been wondering how to open itch.io games, this video will walk you through it step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether your game runs right in the browser or you downloaded it to your computer, I'm going to show you exactly what to do so you can get into the game without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy gaming guides. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about browser games on itch.io. These are the easiest ones to open because you don't need to install anything. Start by going to itch.io in your web browser and opening the game page for the game you want to play. Once the page loads, look for the Run Game button. In most cases, this button will launch the game directly in your browser window. If the game takes a moment to load, just wait for it to finish, and then you should be able to start playing right away. Now, if the game was downloaded instead of being played in the browser, the process is a little different, but still very simple. First, go to the folder where the game was downloaded and extract it. If the file is still compressed in a zip folder, you'll need to extract it first before you can open the game properly. Once the extracted folder is open, look inside for the main game file. For many itch.io games, especially on Windows, that file will be a .exe file. When you find it, just double-click it to launch the game. After a few seconds, the game should open and you'll be ready to play. If nothing happens at first, give it a little time because some games take longer to start depending on the file size or your computer speed. A quick tip here. If you see multiple files and you're not sure which one to open, look for the one with the game's name or the application file that ends in .exe. That is usually the correct file to launch. Also, make sure you're opening the extracted folder and not the compressed download itself, because the game won't run properly from inside a zip file. So to recap, browser games on itch.io usually open by going to the game page and clicking Run Game, while downloaded games open by going to the extracted folder and double-clicking the .exe file. That's really all there is to it. I hope this tutorial made it easy to understand how to open itch.io games. If it helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tech and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.